At first, adopting a plant-based lifestyle can be a little overwhelmed for a lot of people, especially those who are meat lovers. But the reality is, you don't have to go 100% vegan overnight to achieve the amazing health benefits of plant-based diet. There are so many ways you can incorporate more vegetables, fruits, nuts, beans, and whole grains into your daily diet, and hundreds of delicious recipes you can make at home that will satisfy your whole family. It's all about taking small and simple steps in your day-to-day life, and I'm here to break it down for you. Hi, welcome to Healthy Palace. My name is Serena Lee. I share quick tips on how to pursue a healthy lifestyle, focusing on plant-based diet and easy plant-based recipes. If you're interested in my content, please subscribe my channel. For those who are new to plant-based diet, I have a video specifically talking about plant-based foods. You can check the link here or in my description below. Today I'm going to talk about 5 easy steps you can take to start your plant-based journey. Step 1. Swap out your dairy. You can swap out your dairy products for plant-based alternative made from soy, rice, almond, or hemp. For example, milk. You can choose oat, almond, pea, or coconut milk according to your preference. Step 2. Reduce your meat intake. Don't worry, I'm not asking you to go cold turkey. Reducing your meat intake doesn't mean you have to give up your favorite Sunday roast. A great place to start is by simply choosing meats with lower environmental impact and reducing the number of meat-based meals you have every week. Beef and lamb are traditionally the largest contributors to farmed animal emissions, and by simply choosing other protein options like chicken or eggs and introducing more vegetables-based meals into your diet, you will have a huge impact on the planet. Step 3. Make sure you get enough protein. This is one of the most common questions asked by plant-based beginners. Does a plant-based diet provide enough protein? And the answer is yes, they can. There are a range of high-protein plant-based alternatives available which can help you to meet daily requirements, even for those with an active lifestyle, like protein powders, chickpeas, beans and pulses, and soy flakes. I have a video specifically talking about plant-based protein foods that you can eat to satisfy your protein need. I will put a link in my description below. Step 4. Easy egg substitutes. For those who love baking during the weekends, there are a number of egg alternatives you can choose. Psyllium husk, for example, is a wonderfully natural gluten-free and vegan baking alternative. It provides a bread texture like when baking, and is also a suitable option for those opting for a low carbohydrate choice. 2 other options are chia seeds and alfalfa. Step 5 is also my favorite step, which is opt for plant-based snacks. So not just can you make changes on your daily meals, but you can opt for plant-based snacks. You can make your own homemade snacks, or you can simply get a big pack of plant-based snacks from Amazon. I hope today's video helped you in starting your plant-based journey. If so, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel. Wish you a happy Christmas, and I'll talk to you soon.